Hey guys, welcome to the channel. JV here, super pumped. It is a community more than a channel, and as always, I'd love to hear your comments down below. Today we're going to talk about the Kindle Scribe and the case. Could this be the best case possible for the Kindle Scribe? I have not got into this yet, but it is actually manufactured in the south of France. They sent it over to me. Yes, this is a review. They haven't told me what to say or anything. They just gave me one of these to try on my Kindle Scribe, and I want to do it with you. As we get into this, I want to show you a video of how this thing is made. I think this thing could be really cool as you're sitting in bed reading a book with a great case. I haven't been a big fan of the Kindle Scribe case. I mean, it's serviceable, but I don't know. We could use a better one. So let's look at this from St. Tropics, the Noreve case here. Let's get into this. Okay, so what do we got? Okay, so what a great present. I feel like I'm getting open to something from Prada or something. Not that I'm into those products, but it's really high-end packaging. Look at this bag that this comes in. I believe this is around $100 product, but already I am just totally impressed. Oh, the bag itself is just awesome. Oh, and it just feels good. Oh, they must have known that I absolutely love blue. It's leather, it's padded, feels really, really good. Oh yeah, this is great. It's got a little I don't know, little like south of French castle here, a couple places to put cards and stuff in. Really high quality. You can smell. I don't know. You can't smell it there. Oh, it's just leather. That's got awesome leather smell to it. Let's go ahead and take the Kindle out and let's put it in here and see how it works. Fits in there really nicely. That's in there. So let's go ahead and shut this case. Wow, it's nice. It's nice. So we'll shut it and let's see. Oh, it's magnetic. Got a little magnetic holder here. Wow, that just feels high quality. I mean, there's just something about a leather smell, you know, that's got that. I wish I could send it right through the screen to you because it really does make a difference in the case. Okay, you can see the two different ones, but really feels like really quality. It's great. I don't know if there's a place to put the marker. Let's see. I think you can do it. Is it on the snap? Let's see. I think, is it here? Oh yeah, there's a place right here. I think that's a place. Let's see. That's stitched for it. I think so. So I should read the directions, right? Let's see. By the way, the link is in the description down below, and you can go ahead and put that in there. Okay, so that goes there. Okay, that fits. That actually fits in there really good. So it does fit in there, and you can put the pen right in the case if you want to, and I believe you could probably fit it in, set it in here. Nope, doesn't fit there. So right here, you know, I think there's a, I can't tell if it's open. Yeah, it's open. It's open. It's just leather, like it's brand new leather. Yeah, there it goes. So that opens. Oh, I don't know if that opens up all the way. Let's see. Let's take a look. As you know, we do our reviews live and in vivo, as we do everything. I think that does go. Oh yeah, it does. Does it go all the way through? Yeah. So the pin goes right here. I think it's got an opening there. It's just leather. It's brand new. And we put that in there. Let's see. Does it go all the way through? I think so. I'll have to play that. I think it just needs to be loosened up. It's there. So the pin would go there. And then this just snaps in there. And we can hold it there. I don't use the pin that much with it, but it goes like that. And that actually holds it in there really good, even without going through that metal. That ain't going anywhere. That pin's in there really good. But man, what a high quality case. This thing's awesome. Again, link in the descriptions. I am not being paid to review this. They just sent this over. And I was, you know, you're looking for something you can, you know, like if you're laying in bed, you want to hold something nice. This definitely, as you're reading, is a really nice case. And again, you've got some pockets here. You can put your cards in there and stuff with it. So you got your whole planner. And if you're using your Kindle Scribe as your notes, man, I wish they'd make one of these for the Tab X, the Books Tab X. Guys, if you're watching this, I know you probably are, make one of these for the Books Tab X. Just quality. You can tell the stitching, all the stitching is high quality. It is a high quality product that if you're looking for a high-end little symbol there, high-end product for your Kindle Scribe. And the Kindle Scribe just fits in right there. It's definitely a high quality leather case that's impressive, and my Kindle's gonna stay in there. This case with the Kindle on it is gone. This thing is just really, really nice. Really happy with it. And again, I don't know if that pin goes all the way through there. I'll ask them, because I don't even need to. I can put the pin right there and it actually holds the pin. It ain't going anywhere. It's like at the perfect tension. That pin is actually, it's not going anywhere. Like I said, I think you could probably put it through there, but I don't even need to. And it makes a really nice case. So is this the best case you can get for the Kindle Scribe so far? Everything I've tried it is. I hope I said this right, Noreve, because it is out of south of France. Again, the link in the bottom. You can go ahead and check it out. Different colors. Noreve, really cool case for your Kindle Scribe. And we'll keep bringing you more accessories, cases, all those wonderful things for ink, devices, and all kinds of wonderful videos here at the channel. As always, I thank you for watching. Is this something that you would buy? Just click the link down below if you want to check it out. And also, if you can subscribe, hit the like for us, that would be awesome. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Hey, you watched to the end. That is awesome. It'd be great to have you subscribe. Just click that button right there. And if you want to watch the next video, it's right there. You're awesome. Thank you for the support. I couldn't even spit that out because I'm so excited. We'll see you in the next video.